Sustaining operational excellence is rooted in a committed approach that involves several key practices. Broadly, it involves 5 key steps. Firstly, it requires embedding a culture of continuous improvement, where every team member is encouraged to identify inefficiencies and suggest solutions. Secondly, ongoing training and development are crucial to ensure that all employees are skilled and equipped to drive improvements. Thirdly, robust metrics and monitoring systems must be in place to regularly assess performance and make necessary adjustments. Fourthly, strong leadership is essential to maintain focus and momentum, consistently reinforcing the value of excellence. Lastly, it's important to celebrate successes and recognize individual and team contributions to motivate ongoing commitment and performance. These practices ensure that operational excellence is not just a temporary project, but an indispensable part of the organization's existence, culture, and operations.